Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video, I'm going to introduce you one cool app. So I say with this app, you can set 3D wallpapers on your Android device. So I say by setting up 3D wallpapers on your Android device, you can impress your friends, also you can impress anyone. So I said this app is totally cool. So really 3D wallpapers are really great. So as you can see on the screen, so it's there like that apps are floating on my mobile. So really 3D wallpapers are really good. So let me tell you how to set this 3D wallpaper even on your device. So make sure that you watch this video till end. So I am Shafi, you're watching Shafi Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, so if you want to keep this type of 3D wallpaper on your device, then first of all go to Play Store. So guys, so after going to the Play Store, so as you can see the name 3D wallpaper Parallax 2019. So just type this name on your Play Store or else tap on the link given in the description below. So guys, this is the new app, so that's why I'm telling you. So guys, this app has only 5 million plus downloads, and if you want you can check for any reviews. So guys, so those are no idea. So first of all, you install the app. So if you have any type of problem, then nothing to worry. So just tap on the link given in the description below. So after downloading, open the app. So after opening the app, as you can see 3D wallpaper. So guys, so now here, this is how we get the interface. So guys, so now here first you can see many wallpapers. So first of all, let me scroll down. So now here, so guys, so now here we are in Explore tab. So now in this Explore tab, let's scroll down and let's see which type of wallpapers we have. So let me select any one wallpaper. So I'll select any one wallpaper and I will show you how to set it. So let me select one wallpaper here. So let me select this aeroplane. So guys, so as you can see, so on the top 2 layers 164 KB. So make sure that you download the wallpaper which has more than 3 layers, and that wallpaper should be more than 1 MB. Then it will be really a great 3D wallpaper. So now here I am downloading this wallpaper. So this photo has 6 layers and 2.29 MB. So guys, and after that nothing, just tap on set wallpaper. So there's nothing to do, just tap on set wallpaper, and after that as you can see wallpaper changed immediately. So guys, if you see carefully, then you can experience the 3D effect. So see carefully. So guys, make sure you watch this video in 720 mode or else 1080p mode, so that you can experience the 3D effect. So guys, as you can see, really wallpaper is looking totally full HD, really great here. So now let me select one more wallpaper. So guys, so now here I'm going to select one more wallpaper. So here let me select this one. So this is a landscape. So let me select this wallpaper. So guys, so as you can see, so this wallpaper has 6 layers and 10 MB. Then definitely this wallpaper is going to be really great. So here after downloading, just tap on set wallpaper, and now after that just go back. So guys, after going back to our home screen, then you can find your wallpaper. So guys, as you can see, so guys, see carefully here, definitely you can find the 3D experience. So definitely you can experience that 3D effect. So it's there like apps are floating on my mobile. So apps are floating on my mobile. So like that it's looking here. Definitely this 3D wallpaper is really cool. So with this 3D wallpapers, you can impress your friends or anyone. So really this is great. So as you can see, so it's looking really great here. So guys, as you know, so some big people say that if you do any work 2 times, then do even 3 times. So like that only, I downloaded 2 wallpapers. So what is it here? Let me download another 1 more time. So totally 3 times means totally I downloaded 2 times. So let me download even for the 3rd time. So guys, now as you can see, so here we are in official tab. So here if you want, you can also buy some wallpapers which has a totally 4K mode. So now here let me download another 1 more wallpaper. Oh, so guys, here we have Spider-Man and Iron Man. So here let me select Spider-Man. So let me select the Spider-Man. So let's see how this wallpaper is gonna be. So guys, so as you can see, so this app has 5 layers and 2.80 MB. So tap on download and nothing to do, just tap on set wallpaper. That's it, new wallpaper has been set to your screen, and now as you can see, so now here we got the wallpaper. So guys, so really, yeah, I don't know how can you see this video, how are you experiencing, how I don't know how you guys are experiencing it, but really are totally a 3D, it's totally a 3D wallpaper, so definitely you are gonna like it. So download this app and also share this video, and this is not a sponsored video. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like that. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video to all. And if you have any type of doubt, then comment me in the comment section below. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, Jai Hind.